Winnebago Adventure 37B for sale in Hillsboro, Virginia 20132. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2006 Winnebago Adventure 37B. This Class A RV is 38 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 6 guests. Powered by a new gasoline engine at 12,000 miles mated with an automatic transmission. It has been outfitted with 27,846 original miles, 3 slide-outs, 1 awning and self-leveling jacks. This impressive RV has been very well maintained with minimal abuse, which has enabled its clean condition. This 2006 Winnebago Adventure 37B is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities throughout, you can easily make this spacious Class A RV your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these features include great cooking area with a 3-burner cooktop and Convection MicrowaveLarge refrigerator/freezer double kitchen SinkDinette that folds down into a BedTwo flat-screen television surround SoundDVD/CD/StereoSofa SleeperChairsLarge bathroom with ShowerWasher/dryer IncludedMaster queen-size sleep number bed full-size storage dresser/ClosetFurnace heat pump air conditioning and so much more. This 2006 Winnebago Adventure 37B is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This Class A motorhome is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible 2006 Winnebago Adventure 37B can be yours.